Hello everyone and welcome to Little Bookworms. My name's Cass and today we are going to be talking fantasy stories. So we have lots and lots of fantastic fantasy books in terms of ebooks, eAudiobooks, and also physical copies once we're finally back in the branches. So I encourage you to definitely check some of those out. We've got a great book list on the website this week, but I'm just going to talk about a couple of those and then we will talk about the little dragon cup craft you can make at home. So first up we have, in terms of picture books, the absolute classic Room on the Broom. If you've ever read any of Julia Donaldson's books, you know that she is the master of rhyme. Beautiful, lyrical, hilarious. Definitely check that one out. In terms of other picture books, another kind of witch and cat series, this is Winnie and Wilbur, the picture book treasury. They're hilarious about Winnie and her black cat Wilbur. You'll have a great time with those ones as well. If you're looking for something for slightly older readers, but still kind of getting into chapter books and things like that, you will probably enjoy Tashi. Tashi comes from very far away and rode to this country on the back of a swan and has lots and lots of fantastic tales to tell. If that is not quite for you, maybe you like unicorns. And if you like unicorns, I think you might enjoy Unicorn Academy. So imagine if you got to go to magic school and got a unicorn of your very own. That's kind of what Unicorn Academy is all about. But if you're thinking that sounds a little kind of boring, you're looking for something a little bit more funny, but you still like unicorns, this one reminded me a little bit of the other one, but seems much, much funnier. This one is called The Naughtiest Unicorn, and it's kind of the same premise. Imagine if you got to go to a school and have a unicorn of your very own. So Mira goes to unicorn school to get a unicorn of her very own, but there are no unicorns left except the very last unicorn, and his name is Dave. And as you can probably guess from the title, he's a bit of a naughty unicorn. So that's a great series to have a look at as well. But if you're an older reader and you're looking for something a little bit more in-depth, you might enjoy some of these great fantasy series that we've got. So something like Jane Doe and the Cradle of All Worlds. So Jane is looking for her father. She's on an epic quest to go and find him after he disappears in the middle of an earthquake. But as it turns out, it's not going to be quite that easy because he's trapped in a kind of place between worlds, and so it's all shifting labyrinths and booby traps and all kinds of weird adventures. So definitely check that one out. And then of course we also have Dragon Keeper, which is about a slave girl who rescues, helps, saves the life, rather, of an old dragon, and then escapes her captors, and they go on an epic adventure across China. That one's really good. And I would also recommend Inkheart. So if you really like stories, if you ever imagine what would happen if your favorite books came to life, this one is definitely for you. You're gonna love it. It's about a girl called Maggie and what happens when her father disappears and she discovers that she also has the power to make stories come to life when she reads aloud. So there's lots and lots of great series there, and we are going to put all those and more that we really liked in the book list on our website, so don't forget to check that out. Now, if you are interested in a craft activity and want to make your very own paper cup dragon, which you can make blow some little crepe paper flames, I'm going to quickly run you through how to do it. Here's what you'll need. You will need a paper cup. I've got a green one here, but if you've got just a plain white one, maybe you just color it in. You'll need some streamers. You might want some fire-breathing color streamers, or maybe some paper. That would also do to make those kind of mouths. You might like some googly eyes or some other way to make your dragon's eyes. I propped mine up with a little bit of extra crepe paper, but if you've got pom-poms or anything like that, that's a great way to do it. Some paper or cardboard to make a little dragon spine on your head. And of course the idea is that you blow into the little hole that you make in the back of the cup and then the dragon fire kind of comes out. But I haven't really succeeded in doing that. So another thing you might like to make your dragon come to life is a hairdryer. And if you just... then you might be able to make your dragon breathe fire like that as well. So really simple, really easy, a little bit of fun. Hope you enjoy that one. If you do make that craft, or if you just want to talk about books with us, we'd love to see you on our Facebook event. That would be absolutely wonderful. Just get your parents to comment for you if that's all right with them. Come and chat with us about books. We'd love to see you there. Don't forget to check out the wider book list on our website below, and we will see you next time. Have a great week, everybody. Bye.